What you watching?
My show.
What? What's this? This Beauty? Oh, this Beauty in the Black? Beauty in Black?
Yeah.
Oh, I fuck with this show. I'm about to come
No,
watch it
you
with
don't. No, you don't.
I swear, I
You
fuck
talking
with,
all that stuff.
No, I fuck with this show.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. You got Horace, you got Angel, you got Kimmy, you got the friend that got the fucked up BBL.
How you know everybody in the show?
Cause I be watching this.
I thought you didn't like it.
No, I never said I didn't like it. I said I didn't like the other stuff you be watching, but I fuck with this show. On God, Horace about to get out the hospital. He told Angel, you better have your ass back at the house in 36 minutes. On God.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm fucking with
You
this show.
watching my show without me?
There's 2, 3 TVs in this motherfucker. You better pick one.
Nah, it's my show. Watch it with me.
Nah, you too far. I'm behind on it, so I gotta catch up and stuff. They got this is the last season. Yeah, I'm about to watch this home. I gotta get my snacks. I'm about to watch this.